Hi, I'm James Giebert with Mobility Quad. I'm going to show you one of our mobility quads that's enclosed. This one has power windows that is controlled through this panel. You have a radio system, heater, AC, you have brake system, throttle system, you have power brakes. That seat is actually removable. You have barn doors, what we call barn doors. This seat actually comes up. There's a speaker down there. Both this seat and that seat are removable. However, when the wheelchair comes in, it would rotate and the legs would go underneath here. That way you have more room. We have a power ramp. We have an easy lock. Same thing over here. Power windows. This seat is removable. The easy lock goes there. The wheelchair goes there. We have turn signals. The steering wheel is pushed more to the right and telescoped out more. We have a power shift. It's no longer a handle shifter on the Polaris Ranger. It is a mechanical shift. And this is just a quick example of one of our mobility quads.